Hey guys, welcome back to one of my videos. In this video today we're going to be drawing a skull. Follow through on every section and you won't believe how good it looks at the end. So we start by drawing this circle, and then we draw two lines from each side, and then we connect them, try and draw like a chin kind of thing. But it's as simple as you can see. So two lines on the side and then one in the middle. Then we draw the middle line here. And then we make it across. Then you put another line just under it. So I've made a mistake here. It just needs to be a little bit bigger than that. You put the nose here and the mouth here. And then I'm gonna eventually rub this off. After this, we're gonna be drawing the nose. The nose will look like an upside down heart. So imagine if you flip the heart upside down, what it would look like, and try and draw that shape. Moving forward, we're gonna be drawing the sockets of the eyes. So try and follow this shape. It's like a hexagon or something. Just try and do that like similar shape to what I'm doing here. So this is how the skull will be drawn. So we're starting at the top and then we keep going down. I'm drawing the same thing on both sides, so it's symmetrical, and you can just follow through. It's curved coming in. This is where the teeth will be eventually, and this is the mouth, also the jaw, sorry. Where the teeth will be. So I'm drawing the middle teeth there. I'm not so sure about how they look right now. You can draw the whole thing and then start adding the teeth later. But I kind of wanted to draw the teeth out just to kind of find a balance for how the teeth will sit around his jaw. I felt that the chin area was a little bit too low, so I just brought it up a little bit there. And now we draw the teeth. So you can do the external outline first, and then use that as a guideline when you're actually putting the teeth in. Same thing for the lower end. And then now we do the teeth. With the teeth, you want to do something. So the further teeth should be smaller than the closer teeth. So the middle teeth would be closer to you if you're looking at a skull, and then the further teeth would be the teeth at the back, because naturally they'll be curving, so you want to keep those teeth at the back a little bit smaller. Do the same thing for the lower side. Obviously he needs to go to the dentist to improve his teeth. That's his teeth. We're gonna draw or finish off the jaw and just show where the bones are connecting. And then we're drawing these definition lines around the eye sockets, and then we can finally draw the external part of the skull. So I'm just refining his look, drawing all the lines, and then there you go. We're shading now. So with the shade, you want to keep it a little bit. You want to keep it dark, but not too dark, because you want to give it a few levels. The sides of the skull now. Anywhere where there might be a shadow, you can put some shade. And then there you go. Now we're just making it a little bit darker. And then we can do the same thing for the eyes, the nose. So yeah, for the nose here, it's a little bit darker in there. And then for the eye sockets. And now we have a beautiful skull. We just can improve the shading a little bit. You can draw your own skull now. If you guys are following through on these tutorials, I would love to see your result. And if you can't show me, I would love to hear about it in the comments. Just drop a comment on how well it went. And then if there's areas that you need help in, just let me know. And if you're interested in learning how to shade, I have another video on my channel. Feel free to check that one out. And yeah, thank you for watching.